everyone. So today I'm going to do just a mini unboxing with you guys. I have two little small packages that I got in the mail recently, and I just thought that I would share them with you. Their snack subscription from Graze, and it comes with 8 different snacks in here, and I really like these for work or for just putting in my purse to make sure that I have a snack with me at all times. I feel like most of these are repeats. So anyway, the top is the not too spicy veggie protein. And this one, I don't remember what I thought about this. I think it was okay because I have gotten this one before. The next one is the peanut butter jelly. I actually do like this one. Is the veggie protein power. I don't think I cared for this one that much. I don't know. I don't remember, but I do feel like I've tried this. I just don't remember my opinion on it. Oh, this one's like one of my favorites. So this is the Snickerdoodle dip with cinnamon pretzel sticks. I love this one. This one's a really good one. So I'm excited that I got that. Natural vanilla seeds, which is okay. I like the taste of it. So I do actually really like this one. This is the apple and cinnamon Flapjack. So out of all the Flapjacks that I've tried, I think that one's my favorite. I have the Mexican style smoked cheese. This one I did not like. Yeah, I just didn't really care for it that much. It's the New York everything bagel. This one's okay. Again, not my favorite. I think it's because it has the cheesy cheese cashews in it. I don't really like those. Same with the Mexican one I just showed you guys. It has the Gouda puffs, which I don't like. So anything kind of more cheese related, I don't really care for. So that is everything that was in my Graze box. It is now empty. I know I just ran through it really quickly with you guys, but it's because I have tried all of these before and I have shared them with you before, so I just kind of shared my thoughts with you real quick. I forgot about this box, so I didn't review these snacks before they sent them out. I feel like I always do that. I don't know why. I just always forget to check, and then I get sent it out and then it's too late. I need to be better about watching my subscription for that. Yeah, I need to be more aware, I guess. So that's Graze. Now I got this tiny PINCHme box. I thought that maybe it was just not working anymore or something. I don't know. So I haven't gotten a PINCHme box in a really long time. What was in it? It says itty bitty little deodorant. So this is the native aluminum free, paraben free vanilla and coconut deodorant. And I'm just reading this little pamphlet thing here that I got. It's really tiny, and yeah, so I think this will be perfect for travel though. It actually smells not so bad. I'm not a huge fan of coconut, and this actually doesn't turn me off. So I'm kind of excited to try this. I feel like typically natural deodorants don't keep you as dry, so maybe this isn't the best for travel. I'm not sure. Let me know if you've tried this before and if it keeps you dry or if it just, you know, helps with odor. Let me know down below. Alright, well that is everything. I know this was really short, really quick unboxing, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye!